Click on the link below to get price. The Ergotron Wall Mount Track for CPU, flat panel display, keyboard, and mouse, model 45-359-026, is an ingenious solution for optimizing workspace organization and ergonomics. This wall mount track is designed to accommodate various devices, helping to declutter desks and improve workflow. Installation is straightforward, with clear instructions and all necessary hardware included. The track is well constructed from durable materials, ensuring that it can support the weight of your equipment securely. Once mounted, the sleek, minimalistic design seamlessly integrates into any office environment, enhancing aesthetics while providing functional support. One of the standout features of the Ergotron track is its versatility. It can hold a flat panel display, CPU, keyboard, and mouse, making it suitable for a wide range of setups, from home offices to professional workspaces. The adjustable arms allow for optimal positioning of your monitor and keyboard, which is crucial for maintaining good posture and reducing strain during long working hours. Users can easily customize the height and angle of their display, promoting a healthier ergonomic experience. Another significant advantage of this product is the cable management system. It helps keep wires organized and out of sight, contributing to a neat and tidy workspace. This feature not only improves the overall look but also minimizes distractions, enabling users to focus better on their tasks. However, the Ergotron Wall Mount Track is not without its considerations. While it supports a variety of devices, potential buyers should ensure that their equipment fits within the specified weight limits. Additionally, some users may find the initial setup process a bit challenging if they lack experience with wall mounts. In conclusion, the Ergotron Wall Mount Track for CPU and display is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their workspace. It combines robust construction, ergonomic benefits, and effective cable management, making it a practical choice for both home and office environments.